There are two ways to express the number that is a part of a whole number. Like 1 on 2, it is a part of a whole number. It is half of 1. Half of 1. That means it's a half of one whole thing. Suppose this is a pizza and you cut it into half, equal parts, and one part is this half. One way to express the part of a whole number is fractions, and the other way is decimals. This fraction is equal to this decimal, 0.5. Here, this is the decimal point, and before the decimal point, this is the whole number and this is the part. The whole number here is 0 because we don't have any other whole thing here. Just we have half of a whole thing. Sometimes you will have a whole number here other than 0. Suppose if I write it 1 whole and half, then the decimal will become 1.5. Now here the whole number is 1. Now the expression here will be another pizza. So you have one whole pizza and half of the other. This is the illustration of this decimal. So these are the decimal numbers. Now let's look at some of the names of the specific places after decimal point. Let's see. Here I have a number. This is a decimal number, and there are 4 digits before decimal point and 3 digits after decimal point. And each of the digits has different names and different values. And when we count the digits, when we name the places, we start from the closest digit to the decimal point. We start counting the digits with the closest digit to the decimal point, to the right and to the left. On the left side of the decimal point, we have 3 at first. This is our first digit before decimal point, and this digit is called unit digit or ones digit, unit place or ones place. So the name of this place or the name of this digit is unit digit or ones digit. It's called unit digit because how many units do you have here? How many ones do you have here? There are 3 ones, right? So the value will become 3 multiplied by 1 and we get 3. Next digit here is 4 and this is called tens digit or tens place. The value will become, how many tens are here? There are 4 tens. So 4 will be multiplied with 10 and we get 40. right? So the value becomes 40 here. Next digit we have here is 1, and this place is called hundreds place or hundreds digit. The value will become 1 multiplied by 100 100. Because there is only 1 and we have to multiply with 100, we get 100. Next place is called thousands place or thousands digit. And there are 8 thousands. So we will multiply 8 with 1000, 1000. So let's do it. 8 multiplied by 1000, and result will be 8000. These are the values for the digits before decimal point, and after decimal point we have another 3 digits, and those digits also have different names based on places. And we start counting with the closest digit to the decimal point. That means we have 5 here. We will start counting with 5. And this first place is called tenths place or tenth digit. Tenths. So this place will be tenths. Look here. Before the decimal point, the digits were increasing by 10 times. Each time the digits, the values are increasing by 10 times. First, we multiplied the digit with 1. Next digit was multiplied by 10. The next one with 100. The next one with 1000. So the digits increased by 10 times. And here, after the decimal point, we have the digits that will be decreased by 10 times. That means you have to divide with 10, the opposite one, the opposite operation. So first one is tenths digit and it will be divided by 10. So our value will become 5 divided by 10. And we also can write this one in this form, 5 on 10. And the value will become 0.5. Okay. The next one, this digit is called hundreds digit. Hundreds digit. And here we will divide with 100. So you can write 6 on 100. You can write 6 divided by 100 or 6 on 100. It will be like 6 on 100 and the value will become 0.06. Next digit, this is called thousands place and will be divided by 1000. So you have to divide 7 with 1000. 7 on 1000 is the value of this place. Here we have 0.007. Now these are how we count the digits. We name the digits before and after decimal points, and those are the place names and values. Those are the place names and those are the place values. And if you add all these numbers, you will get the value you have here. 340 100 8000 0.5 0.06 0.007. Now just add all of them. If you're not comfortable with the numbers here, there are no digits after decimal point. You can put digits after decimal point. 0.000. You can complete it and then you can add, or you just add with those. So we can complete the places. Suppose after decimal point, how many zeros you need, you can give the zeros. Here you can put the zeros. That's not a matter. That will not change the values. So you can put 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0 0. Before also you can give the zeros, and now you add, you will get 7 6 5 point. As you see here, we have to put the points just in line. Then we have 3 4 1 8. So our answer is 8143.567 as we have here. So these are the values of the places before and after decimal point. And this is a decimal number. This is how we write and read the decimal numbers. Thank you.